In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat 2025, a crucial skill for optimizing PDFs and making them easier to share and store. Whether you're working with large documents or just looking to streamline your digital files, this method will help you maintain quality while ensuring efficient file sizes. Let's get started. First, you'll want to launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer, open the PDF file that you wish to resize. You can do this by navigating through your files or dragging the document directly into the Acrobat window. Once you have your file open, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu located at the upper left corner of your screen. Click on this menu to reveal a list of options. From here, you will choose the option that says Save as Other. This selection is important as it offers multiple ways to save your document while providing tools for optimization and size reduction. The next step is to click on Reduce Sized PDF. This option is specifically designed to help minimize the file size of your document without compromising its essential content. It's a handy feature for when file size is a constraint, whether that's for email attachments or uploading to a website. After selecting Reduce Sized PDF, you'll be prompted to choose a compatibility level. This step is crucial because it ensures your optimized PDF can still be opened properly by the version of Acrobat that others may be using. You'll see a list of Acrobat versions. Pick the one that best suits your needs and the audience you're targeting. For wider accessibility, it's often a good idea to select a slightly older version if that's in line with your requirements. Once you have set the compatibility level, click OK to proceed. This action confirms your choices and sets in motion the PDF optimization process. Acrobat will now work on compressing the file size, considering text, images, and other elements so they are as compact as possible without losing clarity. Finally, click Save to generate your new, smaller PDF file. Decide on a location to store this output file. Typically, it's wise to keep it in the same location as the original for easy access, but with a clearly distinct name so that you can differentiate between the original and the optimized version. And that's it! Your PDF is now optimized and ready to be shared or stored. By following these steps, you've learned how to efficiently reduce the size of your PDF files using Adobe Acrobat 2025, streamlining your digital workspace, and ensuring your documents are easily accessible and shareable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe for more tutorials like this one.